In the heart of the ancient world, a civilization was stirring, its potential yet untapped, its destiny unwritten. This was China, a land of rich soil and a people of boundless ambition. In the 2nd century BCE, the Han Dynasty, under the rule of Emperor Wudi, embarked on a remarkable journey. Seeking to expand its influence, China turned its gaze westward, towards the vast uncharted territories of Central Asia. The Silk Road, a network of trade routes connecting China to the Mediterranean, was the key to this expansion. It was a corridor of commerce, a bridge of culture, and a pathway to prosperity. Emperor Wudi's vision was grand. He sent emissaries, merchants, and artisans to the West, bearing gifts and seeking allies. In return, they brought back exotic goods, precious metals, and new ideas. The Silk Road became a lifeline for China. It brought wealth, fostered cultural exchange, and opened up new markets. The Chinese goods, particularly silk, were highly sought after, and the profits were immense. However, the road was not without its perils. Bandits, harsh climates, and political instability posed constant threats. Yet, the Chinese merchants, known for their resilience and resourcefulness, overcame these obstacles. As the centuries passed, the Silk Road flourished. Cities like Chang'an, today's Xi'an, became bustling hubs of trade and culture. Wealth poured into China, fueling economic growth and social development. Yet, this prosperity was not without consequences. The influx of foreign goods and ideas led to social unrest and political instability. The Han Dynasty, once a beacon of stability, began to crumble under the weight of its own success. Despite these challenges, the legacy of the Silk Road lives on. Its impact on China's economic rise cannot be overstated. The Silk Road marked the beginning of China's rise as a global economic power, a legacy that continues to this day. In the annals of history, the Silk Road stands as a testament to China's resilience, ambition, and vision. It is a tale of trade, culture, and the indomitable spirit of a people striving for greatness. The Silk Road's golden age was just the beginning of China's economic rise, a rise that would shape the course of history for centuries to come.